have 60,000 global citizens here tonight focused on the end of extreme poverty within our lifetime.
Hello, everybody! At the World Bank Group, we've made ending extreme poverty by 2030 our central goal. You might not believe it, but extreme poverty is in retreat. 2 decades ago, 43% of the developing world lived on less than $1.25 a day. Today, the global poverty rate has dropped to less than 20%.
Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. You are taking over my...
Being able to play on the Great Lawn tonight in support of ending global poverty is like unbelievable. That's historical.
What I want to do is be a part of the family that says, listen, we're going to make a difference in the world. We're going to change the way that things have been for so long into what we need to have.
It brings together people from all walks of life, you know, rock stars who know a lot about ending extreme poverty. It brings together leaders like the President of the World Bank and government officials. It brings together students from all over the country.
And I think the message here has really been that we do have the opportunity to end, poverty for the extremely poor by 2030, and really calling on our leaders to act.
There is a way, there's been a formula set out to end global poverty by 2030. And so now is the time to take action. We have so many resources available to us to do that.